Hello friends, you are watching Easy Tech Support. Today I am again back with a new video. In the last few videos I have been explaining about Facebook, so this time I thought why not other social sites. So today I will be explaining one of the very important trust trick regarding TikTok. We all have been using TikTok. We started our journey with Musically and now we say it TikTok, and we make lots of TikTok videos in our daily life. I have seen crazy people, they are making good earning from TikTok videos. So today I'll be saying one of the basic, the most important trick. So let's get started. Dear friends, let me remind you, I told you making TikTok videos without internet or making videos offline, but at some point of time we honestly require internet. Like if you are at home or you are at the office or somewhere where your internet connection is really good, just scroll your timeline and click this plus option, that is for making new video. After that you have to simply click on add a sound. From here you can select sound like whichever you like. My sound are being loaded, so I'll do some of the videos in TikTok viral. So what if, and then click this back arrow, simply click on this. So after that click on discover a sound. Then after that click on this, like there are two options, use this sound and try another. I want to use this sound, so please click on this pinkish button. After that your selected audio will be loaded. It will take few seconds. So you can do this when you are at a good speed. So after this, what I'll do next is I'll simply click on this video button, randomly click on it. This is not our actual video. Above the bar, whatever you are saying, it's for your sound. So okay, we are done. Okay, click on next. So here comes the very important step. So after that, instead of clicking on this pinkish post option, you have to select your video to be stored in drafts. So simply click on this left side button, drafts. Now I'll go to my profiles and see one region, one block draft. Okay, let me disconnect my Wi-Fi over here. Let me show you from first. This be my profile, no internet connection. You simply click on drafts. After that you click on take another one, plus. Okay, now this is the step where you can take your actual video. If you are shooting outdoors or you are at a place where there is no internet, you can simply make videos like this. So it is up to you how you design your video. I'm just making some random dummy, please don't mind. I hope you understand. Okay, fine. Then I'll do next. After that, when you are outdoor, again the same step, like you have to keep it in drafts. So when you come back, connect to your internet, connect to your Wi-Fi or whatever you say, go to drafts. Then the topmost is my real video. It's being loaded. After that you can select the privacy of your video, like if you want to. So after that click on post. I'm connected to my internet. So basically the idea is you can load the sound when you are at a good internet speed place. Load it, and after that shoot the video place it in draft and come to the home, come to your working area, connect to the internet, and then post it publicly. Really admire these people. So let's come back to me. It's posted, but I have set the privacy to private. Thank you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.